Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winning, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
I know. So 7 figures worth of chargebacks. Stripe holds all our funds, shuts us down. I can't even get in my Stripe account. I was ordering through the supplier, and they just stopped replying to us. So we've sent I have like $200,000 on a Plum Amex card. So I got $200,000 on a Plum Amex card. I've spent like another $200,000 on Google Ads that I've already paid, and then I got 7 figures of chargebacks. So I was like stacking up, and I'm just like thinking like, all right, like, what do we do next?
Yeah,
I mean, I'm gonna be real. Like,
yeah, please.
Kind of broke down a little bit. Kind of freaked out.
Yeah.
Me and my girl are just like, I'm freaking out of her, and she's freaking out at me, and it's like, not the. Definitely could have handled it better.
Yeah,
for sure. So
Well, I mean, like, how old were you dealing with this?
How old was I?
Yeah.
So I was probably like 22, 23.
You're 22, 23,
Yeah.
basically dealing with over $1 million. And
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, like, come on, bro. Like, how, like, have a little, be easier on yourself.
No,
you know what I'm
sure,
saying?
For sure.
Dealing with 7 figures, be easier on
yeah.
yourself. Yeah.
No, 100%. So, it's so funny because, like, I didn't tell any of my closest friends this story for a long, long time.
Yeah.
Because it was just so painful. Like, just, because we were posting a little bit on Instagram, but like after we started making a ton of money, we stopped posting about it because we're like, all right, like, we don't want to bring any more attention to ourselves. And I didn't even tell any of my friends, like, yo, I made $1 million because we only listen to this. You'll love this. I was a millionaire for 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got 7 figures of chargebacks. The strike came and pulled it all out of my bank account.
Wow.
Pulled it all out of my bank account.
They pulled $1 million out of your bank account.
Yeah. So, I mean, I think it was like, they pulled like, I hadn't paid the credit cards off yet. So they pulled probably like $600,000, $700,000 out of my bank account or something.
And still had over 100K, 200K on both credit cards.
Yeah.
Without them being paid.
Yeah, with having basically no money in my account.
Yeah.